Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide chats on Snapchat. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Snapchat application and then click on the friends icon at the bottom left corner. Then you need to press and hold on any chat you want to hide, and then you need to click on the third option, chat and notification settings. After that, in this list of options, you need to click on the first one, red button, clear from chat feed. And then you need to click on the gray button, clear. So if you want to unhide this chat, there are two different ways how you can do this. So the first way is to click on your profile image button at the top left corner. Then in this interface, you need to scroll down until you see friends section and then click on this option, my friends. After that, you need to click on the hidden chat and then you need to type something, for example, hello. After that, as you can see, this chat will be unhidden. So the second way how you can unhide this chat is to click on your image button at the top left corner again, then scroll down, click on my friends option again, then press and hold on this person. Then you need to click on the third button, chat and notification settings, and then click on the second option, pin conversation. So after that, as you can see, this chat is unhidden. And that's all. That's how to hide and unhide chats on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.